this end torsion link that's supposed to be stay on that pin. So here's the link. I remove it, and it worn in here, and it play inside a little socket, so it's pop out. It came out. You see, there's a little wear mark here. So I'm gonna replay with a new one, and here's the new one. Aftermarket parts. Yeah, it looks like this. So as you can see, the stud is in the ball joint in here, and that came out from the car. 16mm wrench and a vice grip in the back. Take it out. It's coming out. Here's a new one. Have a closer look. Look exactly identical, except this pin is stay in there where the old one just came apart. So if you wonder how I put the link in, I use a jack. I lift the axle, the suspension up, and while I install the link down there. Yep. Tie it in, lift the jack up on the wheel slowly. There you go. I tighten it up 15mm on the new one part, and install them in just by dropping it in. No force is required when you use the jack. This has the Teflon insert nut, so it will lock in place. You don't need to go crazy and torque this one. And I'm done. There you go. The link is now installed.